Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Stephen Kramer Grand Touring. I'm Steve and I'll be documenting and sharing the information and process of auto restoration on GT cars. Always been a fan of these sports cars. Their purpose was to be driven and enjoyed by a driver who wants performance and power, not someone wanting an A to B transportation tool. I'll be showing the steps and processes of restoring and customizing vehicles that I own. This channel is meant to demonstrate the actual steps needed and taken. I do all my own editing, so sorry about the production value, but I promise that if you love cars like I do, you should enjoy my channel. You'll see the mistakes and progress I make along the way. I hope it helps others gain knowledge and techniques when it comes to working on their own vehicles. I hope to shed some light on what makes these cars so special. The type of vehicles I'll be working on vary in origin. American, European, and Japanese. For me, Grand Touring cars are the epitome of performance and traveling. Let's face it, sometimes the best part of getting somewhere is the journey itself. Thanks for viewing my channel. Enjoy the Pantera episodes.